Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the shell script. So today we are going to learn about the variables and the comments. Okay, so let's get started. So here we are going to with this one. So how to add a comment. So the comment would be added like this. This is npm install. This is basically the comment. Okay, so you can add any comment like this. Second one, the variables. There are some predefined variables that we can use and check what exactly it is. So first of all, we are going to learn about the bash. So what exactly it was going to give you. So let's run echo dollar bash, right? Then this, then go and check this one test. So you can here you can see that dash. So basically you can see here our shell name. So which shell name is that is bin and the bash. Okay, moving to the next part, that is the bash version. So it will give you the bash version right now. So go and check this one echo. Just you need to put dollar over here, right? Dollar bash version. Go and check this. This is 5.07 release version, right? Moving to the next part, that is columns. Okay, or you can say that os type. Okay, let's check the os type. So here we're going to put out this one os type. Let's add this. So Linux GNU, right? Moving to the path and pwd, our current working directory, present working directory. So you can go and check this part. So just you need to type echo then dollar pwd, and you can see that, right? html bash currently which folder we are in, and there is one more command, that is shell. So it will also give you that which shell we are using. Okay, so let's go and add this echo dollar this shell, right? So it will going to print you bin bash, right? And the last command, that is you can put the which username I am logged in. So just need to add dollar username. So it will tell you which username I am logged in. Okay, so let's run this command. This is Rajnikant, right? So you can see that here we have used the comment part, and here we are using the variables that are used already predefined in our bash script. Okay, so anytime you want to console bash version, os type, pwd, running current directory, shell, which shell you are using, what is the username, there are some different things that we can use, right? So this is a basic version of that. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video.